If you're looking to build a solar battery storage system for your home, you'll probably run into huge headaches. Systems look complicated, you're confused whether the inverter works with your home power, you worry about failing utility interconnection and AHJ inspection. Installation costs and finding qualified installers also drive you crazy. Today we'll fully introduce the complete solution from Gird-Tied. 12 kilowatt split-phase hybrid inverter paired with Cubix100 rack battery system, built for American residential solar storage. First major advantage, this is a true 12 kilowatt split-phase inverter, delivering both 120 volt and 240 volt power simultaneously. Most American homes run split-phase power. Air conditioners, electric dryers, ovens need 240 volts, while lights and small appliances use 120 volts. This unit covers nearly all daily household loads, no extra transformers needed. Perfect for backup power and self-consumption. Second critical point for you, hybrid grid-tied capability with official ETL listed UL1741SB certification. This is the key document required by most power companies for interconnection approval. It supports CT sensor connection to communicate and coordinate safely with the grid. You can operate grid-tied for offsetting electricity bills and switch to backup mode automatically during blackouts. No compliance risk for your solar project. Third feature, IP65 waterproof rating. Lots of hybrid inverters can only be mounted indoors. Gird-Tied's Synch 12kp supports outdoor wall installation. You can mount it beside your garage or exterior wall, saving indoor space and simplifying wiring layout for installers. Rain and dust will not affect stable operation. Fourth, all-in-one integrated power management. Dual PV trackers support maximum 6600 watt solar array. PV voltage up to 550 volts. It accepts utility grid input plus dedicated independent circuit for generator input. Solar power, grid power, backup generator and battery energy can work together seamlessly inside one unit. No need to stack multiple controllers. The full system solution matched this inverter with our Cubix100 rack-mounted battery system. The Cubix100 carries DC ESS UL9540 certification for US residential storage, local AHJ official strictly checked system safety certificates. This match set provides complete certification documentation, greatly improving your chance to pass inspection smoothly and avoid permit delays. Now let's look at extra practical advantages. The inverter supports direct communication with Cubix100 battery BMS, realizing coordinated charge and discharge protection. You can install Wi-Fi module to access remote monitoring, check solar generation, battery status, load consumption anytime via mobile app. Easy to track your home energy data. I know many homeowners' biggest worry. Even if you buy the right equipment, finding reliable installers, confirming system design, controlling installation cost can be stressful. Gird-Tied provides installer matching support. We help you connect with qualified local installers, verify your system design, avoid overpaying on unnecessary parts and labor. We reduce communication barriers between homeowners and contractors. Let's quickly recap. This 12 kilowatt split-phase hybrid inverter plus Cubix100 battery is a fully compliant all-in-one solar storage package tailored for American families. Inverter meets grid standards, supports outdoor installation, works with solar generator and batteries, and comes with certification ready for inspection. If this system interests you, please hit the like button right now. Subscribe to our channel, leave your questions in comment section, we will reply. Contact us if you want to know more specification or how it works. Thank you for watching.